Hello everyone, this is Barry from Elliott Wave. How's it going? Hope everyone is doing great. As always, please let me know if you can hear me, I'll double check. Let's see if everything works just fine. Hello. Yeah, you should be able to hear me, but please confirm it in the chat. So, I did change the time today. Wanted to check on what would have happened if I anticipated it and just did it at New York Open. So I guess we'll find out. Let me just notify everyone we're live. Okay. And yeah. Great. So again, hope everyone had a great weekend, great week. As always, let me know. Let me just type in the chat. For Discord, I'll leave the link of the Discord in the description. As well as I'll just say, ask me. Great. Awesome. So let's get started. Friday, interesting week, ups and downs. These are my open positions. Can go over them for sure, no worries. I'll just open some tabs in the meantime. So in the indexes tab, posted a video on Bitcoin the other day. Hope you guys saw it. Pretty interesting in my opinion. Just an outlook. So we're seeing the Nasdaq going up, S&P slightly up for the day. Kind of everything moving expected. The Turkish index, the XE100, just crazy upside. I've been tracking this down for a while. I also posted this in the Discord. Don't know why it's not showing, but I've been tracking this for a while, and it is moving as expected. I do expect some kind of a major top in place, and so we'll see about that. I am expecting some sort of a larger retracement. We'll have to see. And then the DAX, quite interesting. We're trading slightly below all-time highs, and my count basically was quite simple. I am trying to look for. So I'm here looking at a possibility of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, down in 2, 5 ways up into wave 1. Just 5 ways up in why? Okay. 5 ways up into wave 1, as I was saying, minor 1, 3 down into wave 2, 5 up into that's the potential wave 1. Hello, Paul. And then looking for further upside. going to look. So it looks like this could be some sort of wave. Yeah, for sure. It looks like some sort of wave B. Looking for maybe another low here. There's a reminder. So Tesla. Let's see. I do have a bullish count on Tesla. I remember, but I was looking for a pullback. But it looks like it keeps moving higher. So let me zoom out first. So one here in summer of 2017, down to wave 2, retraced to the area of the previous 4. Very common. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into wave 3. A sharp, we have a sharp wave 2, sideways wave 4, alternation respected, and then a 3-wave move, arguably a 3-wave move into what could be wave 4. Very nice thing that we found support on the touch of the parallel channel. The way you draw this channel, you connect 1 and 3, and then you have wave 2 projected, and it gives you your estimate for wave 4. That has been, as you can see, very well respected, which is ideal. Rally from it, and not only we rallied off of that touch of the channel, rallied, pulled back in a 3-wave move. So even if, let's say this is 3, now what could happen is either as I labeled it, we're done correcting, we're going to resume higher, which is my preferred count, or else we can double correct lower. So make a 3-wave move here, move lower, and so on, or even below here. That's also possible. But no matter what, as we did get 3 waves down here, where EWFAlessio is up. So usually zones of resistance, first one would have been 0.618. So basically where we are right now, let's see if we get resistance here. If not, next target is equality. And as you can see at equality, we do stand with some pretty heavy resistance on the left. So my best guess would be that we most likely will get to equality. Ideally, so basically, if we zoom in, by the way, let me know if you have any questions. You're more than welcome to ask questions. Or if you have anything else you want me to take a look at, any of you guys, just shoot. So here, I was looking at this potential 1-2. I actually missed the buy here. It would have been a good one. I was looking for longs around here on this pullback, but I just missed it. It's okay, it happens. So it looks like we might have an extended 5th. So I would be placing longs on the pullback if we do get a pullback for wave 2. Otherwise, I just stay out of this market. Yes, it is moving higher, but you know, as every trader guru says, buy low, sell high. But so just waiting for it for that pullback to happen. If it doesn't happen, it's okay. It's gonna be fine. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions on it. Where is binary again? Yeah, as I said, what I would do and what I think I will do, wait for a pullback into this wave 2. I don't know when it's gonna come, potentially soon. And it needs to be a 3-wave pullback. So maybe if you're not in the Discord, maybe join the Discord and you can ask me there updates on Tesla as time goes on. That's what I would do, so I can keep you posted on what I see. So yeah, basically looking for a pullback into wave 2, and at that point, if all my criteria are respected, and we can look for upside. Again, I first need to see the pullback. By taking a rough guess, I would expect this to turn into support. So we'll see what's gonna happen. I think it's quite pointless to try to predict the future now. All I can say is waiting for through a pullback to then look for long positions. So yeah, any questions? Let me know, or any other request, just let me know. What else we got here? Apple, Tesla is really going for it. Do we get some sort of, and I heard of some sort of announcement with GM for I think it was charging locations. You're very welcome. Yeah, anything else, any other questions, just let me know. But yeah, some sort of agreement for charging location between Tesla and GM. So yes, we'll find out. DAX. I do have long positions, as you can see here, on the Dow Jones, which again, I've showed this every live session basically. I did mention on the Discord back, when was it? I feel like it was some time ago. Yeah. So it was May 26th. I did say here that Dow Jones started building longs. Feel free to follow my lead, blah blah blah. Back at the time, so that is moving out nicely. I will most likely be looking for more longs, so adding to my position if we do get a pullback. I think that's what I will do. And hopefully it'll play out. So yeah, guess we'll find out. But yeah, Dow Jones moving as expected. The Nasdaq, on the other hand, still 3-wave pullback, therefore not trying to establish, and we're still on the upside. We are just extending a lot, and nothing against that, but I was waiting for a wave 4 actually, which I don't know, at this point it might have been like this for a flat. I don't know. It's starting to get a bit tricky to count. But yeah, again, potential will look for a pull for some longs on the pullback here and wait for a higher degree. So maybe that's what's happening. Which obviously here, as you can see, is where I would expect resistance. So yeah, we'll see about that. What else? S&P, a bit tricky. I did have this one too in place. Gold, yeah, gold is also interesting. I do agree with you. I'm still looking for downside, even though I don't really like I don't like my own count, to be honest. It's actually earlier I was thinking about how I can make this better count, but it is moving as expected. I was looking for this 5 ways up to be completed, and it looks like we're moving that way. It does look like we will at one point most likely get at least back here around 1800. But right now it's not that easy to count, to be honest, because this looks like 3, therefore it cannot be trend establishing. 4, 5. So I'm wondering if we could be in something like this of some degree. Wouldn't be surprised to see, yeah, maybe of some degree. And this would be A, B, C. But overall, could also do this for wave B, then down for C. But again, looking for downside to come. That's the main point. So far, so good. Guess we'll have to see. Let me know if you have questions, any of you, or there's anything you want me to take a look at. Yeah. What else? EU looking here for more downside actually, to get into the golden box, and then after that maybe we might get some upside, because I was looking at this potential 5 up, 3 down, maybe 5 more up. Guess we'll see. Oil, I'm looking for upside actually. It has been, at this point, you know what? Yes, this could have been up in A. We could be moving into a sideways wave B, and then I will be looking for upside in wave C maybe. It's a bit tricky. I do have it labeled it like this for now. Guess we'll find out. But I don't particularly like this count, if I have to be honest. What else? What else can we take a look at? Again, these are my open positions. Long on the Dow, long on Costco, because I do see the potential of a triangle in wave 4. So this would take us a while, whether I'm right or wrong. But I do see potential for upside continuation here in Costco. Analog devices, looking for upside here after a 3-wave move, for much more upside. Let's see if it plays out. So far, so it looks like we might have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, looking for their upside. We could still double correct, but one step at a time. My entry is there. And then last but not least, also looking for a potential, which I posted this today, both on the Discord and on my TradingView account. Are the link in the description? Yeah. But on Ethereum, looking for this potential wave for further upside. So again, guess we'll have to see on this as well. If yes, so if yeah, I guess we'll find out, because I was thinking 3 is the shortest so far. So if we are moving higher, then either everything needs to be 1 degree lower, because let's say the limit for wave 5 right now would be below the equality of with 3, because right now 3 is the shortest. It's shorter than 1, so 5 must be shorter than 3. And let's say even if it ended here and you have wave 3, then wave 4 wouldn't really have much room for retracement, unless like it would be a shallow retracement, which is possible. Obviously it would need to stay above this line, and then it is possible, actually, I'm gonna lie. Yeah, I guess ideal target would be around here. I mean, yeah, we'll find out. Again, any questions, anything you want me to take a look at, feel free to ask. What I do like about this count is that here I see 3 down, I will see 3 up, 3 down. So that's why I'm saying it might be a triangle. So we'll guess we'll have to see. What else? Robinhood, looking for a potential actually triangle. I'm a fan of triangles, to be honest. In wave B. So after this down move, I'm looking for potential upside to get around here actually. So I guess we'll see if it'll play out or not. Do have some financials of Robinhood. And then here, it's another stock in the Nasdaq, which I'm looking for. We're hitting an all-time high right now. I was looking for longs here, but I just missed. Just kept moving higher. Make sure to delete that. Not again. This could be 1 degree lower. All of these. Sub-minuet they could be 1 degree lower. Or minuet, they could be sub-minuet. So maybe this could be 1, 2 upside. I guess I'll monitor that too. As well as Starbucks, I was looking for shorts, but I missed it. And then what else? I felt like I had something else I was looking at. Who knows? I don't know if you guys noticed the rally on Spotify. So ever since IPO, I think it's been pretty confusing, not quite a real trend. Then we topped in 2021. Massive sell-off the top, 8%. Now it looks like we did form a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It looks like it. So might get a pullback. Die there zoom higher. We are at, as you can see, a level of resistance. So I guess we'll see how it'll play out. Might be interesting if we do get a three-wave move, to then look for longs. That could be interesting. Coca-Cola getting close to golden box here. So I'm measuring that as well. Whereas Kellogg's kind of, oh wow, that's quite the move. To this point might even be a 5-wave move. Guess we'll find out. I was looking for upside here. PayPal, wow, another one that sold off massively. I do have two counts. One, let's say bullish, the other not so much. What I don't like about this count is how this wave 4 is much larger than this wave 1. That's not ideal. That's why this could also be a 3-wave move. Either way, it looks like we might have 3 waves down off the top. However, I mean, the level of support would have been this, which we broke below it. So either wave C was quite short compared to A, which I don't know about that, and we do move back higher, or else I honestly don't know how much lower. I mean, the next obvious level would be down here at around 40. So that's an interesting company to look at. It is, I mean, it is profitable. Just don't get why it keeps moving lower. Must be overpriced. But it is a profitable company. Yeah. And you can see profit margin 2022 was half of 2021. That's about so 180, and yeah, I mean, and it was trading basically in half. So guess it makes sense in a way. But yeah, guess we'll see how it's gonna play out. What else have we got? Costco. Take a look at a few stocks. Bailey keeps moving higher. spy everything. Interesting. Intel. It's been moving sideways for quite some time. My best scenario is that we are into this wave forward, so we might get a bit more upside here on Intel. But yeah, Apple very similar to, I mean, it's almost like looking at the Nasdaq. I'm a bit confused on the count, to be honest, because there's lots of overlapping structures. So one way to count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Maybe that could be a way. Guess we'll have to find out. But again, we could be looking for longs here on the way, on the pullback on 4. What else? Yeah, any questions, anything you want me to look at, just ask. Bitcoin kind of, again, why is this? Did post a video yesterday or 2 days ago. Might have been Wednesday, actually. So one is quite interesting. It looks like we might be getting into some sort of a triangle, or I mean a sideways move into wave B to then resume higher for wave C, and then again we could move back lower. So that's something to keep an eye on. Polkadot. Interesting move. Let's see, here we could have a potential 1 and 2. Actually 1. But, or it could actually just be an ABC as well. So we'll have to see about that as well. It's a lot of subwaves. So yeah, have to see about that. What else have we got here? It could be interesting. How's Binance doing? Still moving sideways. Feel like off the top, Binance How much did it? Down 60%. How much is Bitcoin down? I think it's more than 60. Oh, it's 60. Okay. I mean, this is starting to look like a potential triangle, to be honest. A, B, C, D. Oops. My bad. It's actually interesting. A, B, C, D. That's interesting. It's actually quite interesting. Yeah, I mean, we can see here the 23.6% acted multiple times as support. So could we do it once again to then resume higher? I think I might look to open a small position on it. Not gonna lie. Small risk, one risk much. But this looks quite interesting. Yeah, that's quite interesting. I mean, what I wouldn't like about this count is that it just, if this was a triangle, it just shrank. I would have rather had something like, not really sure how to explain it, but again, that's the only thing I don't particularly like. But I mean, I'm looking for maybe 3. Yeah, it's 3. I don't know, it's quite interesting, to be honest. I'm actually considering entering a small position. Down, it's like 30% down. I think I might go for it. As I said, I do have the open position on ETH, so it kind of makes sense for me to see it the same way, as they are correlated, which is why by entering both I would be increasing risk. I don't know, I mean, I like what I see, I can't lie, and there is some confidence. So let's actually type it. So we have a potential Elliott wave triangle. Actually, then we have, what else we have? 32.3% retracement. Then we have, let's take a look at extremely oversold RSI actually. So RSI is back at the levels of what I marked as the corresponding wave 2. So that could mean they are at the same, their correction at the same degree. That's usually what happens. So extremely oversold. Same as, what's that, 2020? Oh yeah, 2020 levels. Do we have something else, guys? Let's take a look at the averages. We are bouncing around there, up and down. Yeah, that's the only down thing. I think I might take a position on it. What do you guys say? Yeah, let me know if you have any questions, by the way, if you want to take a look at anything. I'm happy to show you whatever you guys want. Hi, Eric. Alright, chain, yes. Well, what, as you are the crypto master, what do you think about this Binance count, man? 'Cause not gonna lie, I'm pretty tempted to take on a position on it. So yeah, curious to know what you think about it. So here, just say so. Alright, chain. Keep going. Risk to dump? How come? I mean, I like the account itself and January. We're talking about alright. In February. This down move here. No, it doesn't look impulsive. WX. The one in the chat, like the one that I just pinned. Doesn't that work? Wait. Let's try this. Should work. Wait. Does it work? Otherwise, try this one. If not, oh yeah, that might need to be changed. This one should work. Last one I here pinned it. That one. That should work. Anyways, no, I don't. Does look impulsive, to be honest. It all looks corrective. Yeah, it keeps. You see how it keeps moving? Is in a series of. Oh, this one, the one I pinned, doesn't work. Really? Oh, I think it works. Last one should work. The one I just pinned should work. The / trade connect should work. Anyway, yeah, this keeps moving like in a series of 3. It works. I mean, if I click on it, actually, it works. Looks. The one I pinned, then when I click on it, it opens up the Discord says, and it asks for it to join. So I'm actually confused, to be honest. It's weird that it doesn't work. Not for me. That's weird. I actually wouldn't know what to do. Have you tried? Whew. Damn. I don't know if you can find the server, which is called Trade Connect. I don't know if you can find it. For like search, but I don't know. It works for me. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I honestly wouldn't know what to do. As well as wouldn't know what to do in here. Because it does look like it keeps moving in a series of 3. By the way, I'm really tempted about this this Binance setup. Just a second. Small one. Yeah, like even this doesn't really look trend establishing. So it's complicated. I will leave it alone actually. It did, as you can see, it did retrace of the 61.8 from support here. So now many things could happen. And to be honest, I don't even bother counting it, as it's when it's all a series of 3, it's very hard because as it just 3s and 3s and 3s, you don't know like what to expect. This correction can be of any type, so it's actually hard. So yeah, not gonna say anything on it. Don't wanna say stupid stuff. Feel free to ask me for something else, though. Any of you. Yeah, just not an easy one. Look at. The meantime, I think I might Bitcoin going to. Well, actually, it's funny that you mentioned it. because I don't know if I posted a video on Bitcoin Wednesday, and actually no, it was 15 minute video. So I actually kind of explained everything in quite some details actually, on why I think what I think. I gave evidence and so on and so forth, and I mentioned also my video on the Nasdaq from last week, and I'm bullish on both, and I mentioned why. I do reserve myself the possibility of something like this, but for the time being I don't think there's any reason to believe so, but still possible, but no thanks. And the only comment I got in the video was your super bullish account is just hilarious. So it was hard not to respond, but I guess we'll find out. I mean, I just gave evidence for it. So as you said, Bitcoin to 35,000, 35 is here, possible. If my count is correct, even we're going back up. But even then, what I think is quite clear is that even the move of this top 31,000 top, I mean, it looks like a series of 3 to me. So yeah, maybe next week we might have some answers, but I mean, what I'm seeing here is potential upside here. I saw a count where basically they put this wave 1 here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, this way 1 here, and then down higher degree. So maybe that might have not been the clearest of explanations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1, complex for 2, upside, which possible maybe, I guess. I like this one so far, but I want to see it moving higher. So again, as I was saying, was Bitcoin, I do see upside potential. Ethereum, I'm in a long, looking for a potential triangle, see upside potential. Again, move off this top is a 3-wave move, therefore bullish directive. As I just mentioned, Binance, do see upside potential. I think I might enter a trade on here, small one as well. Don't want to be overexposed, but looks interesting, long-term trade. Might even consider buying without leverage, I don't know, but yeah, they all look interesting. So yeah, I can see cryptos going higher. I guess we will need confirmation next week or this weekend. Let me know. My throat. Do I pull the trigger here? Yes, I do. Bought. Now we wait. So let's flag it. Check your X. Will do. Will do, sir. Give me a minute as I set my stop loss here for Binance. Done. Nice. I do have quite some trades open. It's not usual. I usually don't have many trades open at the time. So, XYO. Wait, what, What broker? Exchange. Sorry. Or do I have it saved here? Oh, I have it. Keep going, yeah. Full data window. Yeah. Still. But I mean, yeah, it just, I mean, my credo is it moves slower. It's been moving lower. Just stick to it. To be honest, I don't think this is going to be a 1-2 because this wave 2 is taking so much more time than the advancing wave 1. So I hardly doubt it. Let's see, CoinTrader Pro. So doesn't it load? Okay. Could say that's 5, 2, 3, 4. Could say that's 5. So let's assume we have a top here. Yeah, I mean, it looks more like a triple combo. Do we have waves here? Looks more something like this. I mean, you could get could still get some sort of support in here. But yeah, as you also agree, I don't like that. I don't like the idea that this is a wave 1 because of how time consuming the corresponding wave 2 is. So yeah, I'd rather go with the triple combo. What else? Yeah, let me know. Any other questions? Anything else you want to take a look at? Let's see. Chain. Oh, I see. I did say it. Don't remember a thing about it, but I did mention. I did draw this. Let's see. Let's bring back the CoinTrader Pro. let's do this. There you go. Got you. I mean, to be honest, this doesn't really look like one, like wave one. Yeah, doesn't look like one. This seems to be the largest. So see, 61.8 acted as support and resistance. So next target is equality. So it could go, I mean, I'd expect it to go this lower to 9 cents. Yeah, as I said, I don't think this is impulsive, so I do expect downside. See, in this chart, you could place, I mean, ideally, I mean, you could place shorts targeting at least this area with a stop below here, or above, I should say. Ideally, you get a pullback, look for shorts, and still have a stop below here. I bought a bag. Yeah, your only hope is that you get a pullback, but hope is your enemy in this game. So yeah, as I said, I would open shorts, so that kind of says it all. Can it be for a possible count? I would call it the crappy count. It's just like Forex, man. A series of complex. 3. Here there might be some 3. Maybe this could be a triangle, like another one. 3. This looks to be 3. A, B, C. So actually, let's try. Okay, delete all in once. No. Can you like delete everything at once? Oh, that's cool. So, so I would assume this is a double XY. I don't want too many W, X, Y. So A, B could be this triangle here. C, so equality, yeah. So we have equality of W, of Y and W. Let me look here. It's this one. And then equality of A and B. Sorry, oh God, it's been too long. The equality of C and A of this wave Y here. So that would be the target. If you do get a pullback, get out. I mean, that's what I would do. Do whatever you want. What I would do is, I would have gotten in the first place, but what I would do is look for shorts, stop above here, and target this area right here. First target. You might even go lower. There must be a small pump sometime in the future. It doesn't break all-time high. I don't really see upside potential, to be honest. I don't know what this crypto is for. I mean, the fact that it's called R, pirate chain, kind of says it's kind, reminds me of Shiba. But I don't know. So I mean, first need to get down there. maybe you get this, let's say super bull run, kind of, you know, the economy is doing well, so on, and then you might fall back lower. But I don't see like Bitcoin. I do see impulsive structures. I don't here. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't. I'm not a crypto expert when it comes to what they do. I focus on Elliott Wave price action. So I guess we'll find out. For launch for launch, just like yeah. I mean, that's what I see in terms of structure. So, we'll have to find out. There's not really much to say. Can it be, yeah, as I said, it can be like a big WXY, big ABC. Something like that. A big three-wave move of some sort. Means proof of work. Yeah, just like Bitcoin. Oh, you're very welcome. But yeah, I think I don't know, unless I don't know if there's more requests I can go on. It's been over an hour, but if you have more things to ask, or any of you has got something else to ask, just happy to go on. Yeah, happy to keep going, though my computer's about to die, but we don't care. So yeah, what do you say, Eric? Let's find out what's gonna happen. Hard to predict. All right. Thank you, Eric. You too, then. Yes. Gonna call it a day too. Thank you all for joining, guys, and I will see you next week, or I will see you around either on the Discord or Twitter, TradingView, right here on YouTube on the comments. So thanks for joining. Take care, trade safe, and I will see you next week.